Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Today I'm very excited to go ahead and share a wonderful affiliate marketing platform, Doba Affiliate Program. If you want to make money by promoting great products and earning high commission, then you cannot miss this. So what are the advantages of Doba Affiliate Program? So the advantages of Doba Affiliate Program, it is easy to start and operate your affiliate marketing business without having to worry about the inventory, the prices, the shipping, etc. Provide rich product resources, including millions of unique items. You will get 40% commission of the planned subscription fee, which is valid for 180 days after when the retailer registers from doba.com. And a very detailed dashboard and reports to go ahead and help you track your sales and commission data. So how to use Doba Affiliate Program? Register and log into Doba Affiliate Program at www.doba.com/affiliate. Sign up for the Doba Affiliate Program now because it is free and is absolutely easy. Start promoting by sharing Doba's product links on your social media or your website or your ads. So when a visitor signs up and using your particular link and then they go ahead and sign up to the Doba subscription plan, then you will earn your commission. And so here's other important information. The Doba Affiliate Program is completely free. You don't have to spend anything or you don't have to spend any money in order to sign up. You can work anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Doba's affiliate program customer support team is very professional and very friendly, and they'll be able to help you out throughout the way with any questions that you have, and they can solve any problem that you have at the same time. So there you go, guys. Doba Affiliate Program. Make sure to go and try it out. It is definitely something that you can help yourself earn some good commission while you're dealing with amazing products at the same time.